How to add your bank account to Venmo. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add your bank account to Venmo. First, open the Venmo mobile application as shown here. Once the app opens, you'll land on the home page. Next, tap the profile icon labeled Me, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, scroll to the section called Banks and Cards. Under this section, tap on the option labelled Add Bank or Card. After doing that, a menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. As you can see here, several options will appear. From the list, select the one labelled Bank. You can then proceed to enter your bank account details and connect your bank to Venmo by following the on-screen instructions. If this method doesn't work for you or the option doesn't appear, there's an alternative way to add your bank. Go back to your Venmo profile page or the previous screen. Then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings section of your Venmo account. Here you'll see various options for managing and customizing your account. Scroll through the settings and look for an option labelled Payment Methods. Tap on it and you will be taken to a page showing the current payment methods connected to your Venmo account. To add a new payment method, tap on the option Add Bank or Card. From there, follow the simple instructions to input your bank information. Once completed, your bank account will be successfully linked to your Venmo account. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you solve the issue you were facing. If it has, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching. That is how to add your bank account to Venmo.